In this video, you'll learn how to create a pop-up form in Constant Contact. Whether you're looking to grow your email list or engage more with your audience, creating a pop-up form is an effective strategy. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functional pop-up form ready to capture leads on your website. Let's begin by navigating to constantcontact.com. If you haven't already, log into your account. This is your main dashboard, and it's where all the magic happens. If you're new to Constant Contact, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It will make the process smoother as we proceed. Once logged in, you'll be on the home page where you can access all the tools Constant Contact offers. Next, locate and click on the Campaigns tab. This section is your go-to for managing and creating different types of campaigns. It's neatly organized to help you keep track of everything you've worked on or plan to work on. Inside the campaign section, you'll see a list of previous campaigns. But today we're focusing on creating something new. Now, look for the Create button. It's usually prominently displayed, making it easy to spot. Clicking this will present you with various campaign options. Here, we want to select Create a Campaign. This option allows you to start from scratch or use templates for your campaigns. Since we're focusing on pop-up forms today, you'll want to head directly to the Sign Up Forms section. Once you're in the Sign Up Forms area, you'll see several choices. We're interested in pop-up forms. Click on Pop-up to start creating your form. Pop-up forms are particularly useful because they grab the attention of your site visitors, increasing the chances of them signing up. As you proceed, Constant Contact offers a user-friendly interface for designing your pop-up form. You'll have the opportunity to customize your form to match your brand's aesthetic. Pay attention to the design options, as a well-designed form can significantly impact conversion rates. You can adjust the text, colors, and images to ensure it aligns perfectly with your brand identity. Remember to include a compelling call to action. This is the text that prompts visitors to take the desired action, such as signing up for your newsletter or downloading a free resource. A strong call to action can make all the difference in how effective your pop-up form is. Before finalizing, consider setting the timing and frequency for when your pop-up appears. You don't want it to be intrusive, so finding the right balance is key. You can choose to have it appear after a certain amount of time, when a visitor is about to leave the page, or based on other triggers. Once you're satisfied with the designs and settings, save your form. Constant Contact will provide you with an embed code. This is what you'll use to add the pop-up to your website. Simply copy the code and paste it into the HTML of the page where you want the pop-up to appear. And that's it. You've successfully created a pop-up form in Constant Contact. Be sure to regularly check your campaign analytics to see how well your form is performing and make adjustments as needed. This simple guide will show you how to create a pop-up form in Constant Contact, helping you to grow your audience and engage more effectively with your visitors. Thank you for watching, and happy campaigning.